All right, welcome to Pitch Pathway Rollercoaster, and you'll see my laser pointer right here. And we are going to go all along the track, up and around, following that with our singing voice. So I'm going to do it first for you so you can hear it. And then I'm going to ask you to do it with me, and then you're going to do it by yourself. Okay, so here's the first time I'm going to demonstrate it first. Okay, now it is your turn. Are you ready? Here's your starting pitch. You're going to sing it with me. Ready and all right, nice job. Let's go back and let's do that again. This time you're going to do it all by yourself. Ready? Is your starting pitch ready? And go. All right. Pitch Pathway Roller Coaster. I hope you had fun with that. I certainly had fun putting it together for you.